Welcome to Understand the Math. I'm going to show you exactly how to use sum and difference formulas to find the exact value of cosine of 15 degrees. Since 15 degrees is a small number, we'll look to see if we can write 15 degrees as a difference of two numbers. Looking at this list, you can see that we have a lot of options for numbers that we can subtract to get 15 degrees. It's usually best to go for the smallest ones because those are angles in the first quadrant, and we know those values a lot easier than values in other quadrants. I'm going to choose that alpha is 45 degrees and beta is 30 degrees. We can write cosine of 15 degrees is going to be cosine of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Our difference identity is cosine alpha minus beta is equal to cosine alpha, cosine beta. See how both terms are the same. And then we switch the sign and we add sine alpha, sine beta. And let's make a note that alpha is 45 degrees and beta is 30 degrees. This gives us cosine 15 degrees is equal to cosine 45 degrees, cosine 30 degrees, plus sine 45 degrees, sine 30 degrees. Let's now plug in our values. Cosine 45 degrees is root 2 over 2. Cosine 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. And then we add root 2 over 2 times sine of 30, which is 1/2. This gives us root 2 root 3 over 4 plus root 2 over 4. We'll bring out a root 2 over 4 just like we did in the last problem. And we have a root 3 plus 1. And we have our final answer.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.